This example is a summary of the previous examples which examined each quadrant in turn. We have the diagram here with the 4 quadrants, sometimes referred to as a cast diagram. In quadrant 1, between 0 and 90 degrees, we've seen that all 3 trigonometric ratios, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent, are positive. However, when we looked at quadrant 2, we found that for angles between 90 and 180, only the sine was positive. The tangent and the cosine were both negative. In quadrant 3, between 180 and 270, only the tangent proved to be positive. The other two were negative. And finally, in quadrant 4, between 270 and 360, only the cosine was positive, the sine and the tangent were both negative. As mentioned, this diagram is often called the cast diagram. However, this is a poor mnemonic in my view, since it begins with the letter C, which is in the wrong quadrant. I have seen other mnemonics. One I used at school was ACTS, A-C-T-S. This starts in the correct quadrant, but unfortunately goes around in the wrong direction. There are other mnemonics that we can use that start in quadrant 1 and go around the right way. Another one that I saw at school was all silly tomcats. And I've seen others, such as all stations to Cambridge. These start in the right quadrant and go around in the correct way. I've also seen many others and heard many others. Some of them are not the sort of ones that I want to repeat when I'm recording.